Hi, what you doing there? You want some food? You do? I used to
Charlie.
work on a desk which was next to this window, and there was this crow that started coming and cawing every day, and it was so annoying. My mother was visiting, and she said, "Oh, that poor thing, why don't you feed him?" And I listened to her. It's really funny because he came again
Charlie.
and then he never left. And that's how it started. But one day he didn't come, and I was kind of worried. And then I saw him sitting at the window. And when I opened the window, I realized that he was injured. His right foot was bent. The whole group of crows gathered around Charlie and they started attacking him. And I thought he wouldn't survive. But somehow he did. Over the next few months, his foot finally healed. Now, when he sees me, he always bows. Some crows are known to leave gifts. Sometimes I'll find some object that they leave behind for me.
Hello.
It was like a boyfriend.
Who's the handsome boy?
Slowly, he really wooed me. And I grew attached to him. And I realized how intelligent and smart he is. Crows are socially monogamous. They do mate for life. Chelsea and Charlie were already partnered up when I met Charlie. They're extremely loving partners.
Come, Charlie. Come on.
He would always feed her. Charlie really provide for their family. He's so responsible and loving towards his partner. And I think Charlie came at a point where I needed that. I think he sensed it. And I wish people would realize that they are such beautiful birds.